This week, we are looking for a new addition to Ogden Contracting. My name is Scotty Ogden from Ogden Contracting, and today we're looking for a very specific superstar. I want to tell you a little story here. For years, I've been the one getting all the sales, meeting the clients, preparing the estimates. Well, I've hit a lid in my business. I can't grow anymore because I am working in the business on the sales. So what we need is a super connector, somebody that can go out, meet clients, go out, find clients, and bring in some sales. Now, this position is going to be very valuable to our company. We are trying to move into strictly commercial tenant improvements. Some of the key components to this position is to meet with leasehold agencies, because the leasehold agencies are the front and center of this whole operation. Our clients are going to meet the leasehold agents at the very beginning, and they're going to introduce them to this space. And hopefully, we can become a preferred contractor for the owner of that building or the leasehold agency. Now, what is the pay structure? Well, we're offering a base salary of $50,000 plus a 2% commission on total revenue, with a cap, obviously, because our company can only grow so much at a certain amount of time. But it's going to be a lot of onboarding. Some of the cool things that are going to be here is you're going to be working directly with me to understand how I do my sales, what we value in our company, and how the whole dynamic works in this company. As the CEO of the company, my role is actually to build growth in this business. So I need to move from trading time for money to experience for growth. And I need to fill this position to get the sales off my plate so I can work on the business and focus on the growth. So the individual we're looking for is not just someone that's just a very good salesman, but also they have to have construction knowledge. They need to be able to go to the client and be able to answer very simple questions that have to do with code and some of the construction rules out there when it comes to commercial development. So we're looking for someone that has 5 to 10 years experience in construction, preferably if you were a contractor at one point or a project manager and you got to work hands-on in the business and you've dealt with some of the change orders and systemization of a construction company, you may be a very good fit, especially if you're the type of person that doesn't take no for an answer and is really good at follow-up. Do you have strong values? And I'm talking about integrity, honesty, teamwork, and getting the projects done on time, on budget, and you care about the client. This job might be for you. If you know a rock star in construction and someone that's really good at sales, make sure you tag them in the comments so that we can connect to them. If you've ever hired a salesperson, what's the best piece of advice that you could give us right now? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification.